Hey Jamas, today I will be, hold on, today, if this is your person, I really just want your founders, I guess, no, forgot to change the world. Anyway, I'm on my number account because I got suspended for saying password on my main account. Go CCQ, as you see right here, I'm on Buddy Go CCQ. My main account is just this account, except take off the buddy part. Anyway, so I'm having an awkward glitch. There's nothing happening in here, nothing happening in here. I haven't tried in here. Nothing in there, nothing in there. Nothing in there, but I have the hint that something new is in here, because watch every time I click on it. It does that. And I was sitting here for like 20 minutes earlier, and I just had this loading and loading and loading, and it never popped up. So, yeah. Ghost CCQ is suspended for saying password. It's kind of stupid because a girl asked me for my password so I could get something for free. So then I was telling Cute Girl, you guys should know who Cute Girl is. Her right here. So yes, this account is suspended for a bit. Cute Girl CCQ here. I was telling it to her on my other one, and I was telling it to her on her other one. And oh guys, I need to tell you something. Okay, so this has been reported a lot of times, and a lot of people keep telling Cute Girl that, like, OMG, Cute Girl, Cute Girl, Cute Girl, why'd you make this? Why'd you make this? Anyway, this is her account. This one's not hers. This is not Cute Girl's account, guys. Cute Girl has those items, but those are not her account. It's not her account. That's, I don't know what that is. Here's Flower Power Spike Girl. Here's a new gemma. I'm doing this for a giveaway. Yeah, I'm doing an account giveaway. No clue who this person is. They're probably just buddied them, or they buddied me. This person's a buddy of mine on my main account, GoCCQ, right there. And this person I put it because I want the spike. And I'm just gonna do something real quick. Choose 1,000. Anyway. Animal Jam. I missed my free chat. They're having minor issues. Not what I'm trying to push. It won't start loading. It just loads forever. Load. It just goes on forever. It's on forever. I wanna know what's in there. I wanna know what's in there. I missed my free chats. I want my free chats back. I wanna get back on my member. I really do. This is annoying. I have to deal with this non-member thing. It's got nothing good on it, and I can't put anything good on it because I have nothing good to put on it because I can't get to the account that has anything good on it to put on here. I'm obsessing way too much about this, guys. Please Please send me a gemogram. Remember, this is not my username. You cannot send. Okay, you can't send me gemograms on here. By the way, this is a fake accent. I just like talking like this for some reason. I like it. It's fun. Anyway, this is my normal talk. Yep. This girl's got the weirdest username. Wait, is this a girl? Hold on. Yep, it's a girl. Okay. Sorry jumping, but you might want to make sure people can actually see your eyes, cause I can't tell you're a girl. Anyway, so newest updates on the sales. Roses are back. Porch swings are back. These tree thingies are back. I know they used to be beta. I don't know what they are though. I'm gonna check here. I don't think they ever leave anything out here. I wouldn't be surprised if this store went down. I wouldn't. Would not be surprised. Oh my god. There are way too many places on this earth. Since I have a ton of gems, give me. Wait, what is that? Okay, that's cool. I love Australia. Don't know what that is. I've heard of Brazil. I know a friend named Cameron. Love England. Love France. I'm part German, so I think I'm I like Italian people. They got like super cool accents. I'm never buying the Mexican flag. Russia and Spain and Switzerland and my country. Oh, I'm so buying that. Ah, my best friend. My best friend lives in Canada. I don't know where in Canada. I just know she lives in Canada. I met her on a cruise. We were cruising down the lake. I'm just kidding. It was over the sea. It was a Disney cruise, and I loved the Disney cruise. It was so good. I met her. Her name is Barbara. Let me check my email. I haven't checked my email in like forever. I still don't understand the fake accent. Let's see. No, I bought something. I don't know. That's about. How do I delete this? Go away. Go away. This is Barbara. Milo, Rocky, and Kitty. Yes, her name is Kitty. Milo. Hey, Milo. Milo. Hold on. By the way, let's just hope my cat isn't too fat for me to pick up. Hold on, guys. Yeah, this is Milo. Oh, really? Now you get up? Really? I call your name 5 times and you don't get up then. But now you get up. Ah! Well, now you know I'm white. Not to be racist. Really. Yes. Yes. You love it when I pet you, don't you? Yes. You love the petting. Let me go try to find my other cat. And I can't get to my other cat, Kitty, but let me go try to find my cat and my dog. I know where my dog is, but he'll be back in a few minutes. He's just not here right now because he's out. Okay, my parents smoke. He's outside. There you go. That's it. Yeah. Give me stuff so I can buy more flags. Flag party! I want to see how much these sell for. 45 gems. Hold on, do some math. Deep, derp, bow. Safari Forest. Yeah, it's here. Like a maze, my dad, a maze. Beat. Yeah, I was on this plate. I'm buying that one. So this is, that's funny. I might want to buy the Egypt. I'm so buying that! Okay, guys, I went to Puerto Rico once. Didn't I, Milo? I just walked in the room and when he asked him, he looked up like, Oh, I have to buy that too. I'm Swedish. Norway. I thought that was some kind of... I have an uncle named Scott. Norway, thought... wait. I don't know what that was. Finland? That sounds like more... like... it's Thailand, but... it sounds more like a name that used to be... It sounds like the old 1980s name for SeaWorld, Finland. I'm sorry people who live in Finland. I've never heard of that place. I'm extremely sorry if you're from Finland. You must love SeaWorld. I'm just kidding. I thought it was King Kong. I'm sorry to anyone who lives in these places. And by the way, the only reason I'm not buying Mexico, yeah, I thought it was Cuba. And I remember I just went past it. Want to buy that? There's a girl in my grade with that name. Spelled the same too. Oh, I need to do that. I went there on my Disney cruise. I was about to say man. It says, oh man. Yeah, that's it. Yep. You're welcome. Oh! This was told to me in a video. Well, not exactly me, but worldwide in Love Narwhal. Lost your membership. She wants you to type. And this is what she said. HHQ, please stop taking my items off my animals. Thanksies. She literally dared people to say thanksies and put it on a video. So here's the video. You're welcome, Love Narwhal. I did it. Love Narwhal fans, subscribe to Love Narwhal, Wolfie Cat, Miss Q, which is me. Which I'm smartest. And German 220, Magic Kitty Asia, Pink Crypto Stage